Okay, welcome to all. Today I'm going to give an advanced selection techniques. So one main objective is one is a path selection and color range and focus area. These tools you can easily select the objects. But if you want to select a shape and perfectly cut it, only one tool is path selection. And very less people only knows about how to use the path tool, and instructors also doesn't know how to use the path shape, and all there is a hidden area for them. They will majorly play on the layer mask and quick mask and filters. No, these are that selection is are very important. If you don't know how to select the object in different way, there are different way you can select the object. Which one is useful, that as per your requirement of the industrial requirement. So we are teaching different ways to select, and you can utilize when it is required. Okay, then we'll let us go for the advanced selections. I told you I worked in Adobe for 7.5 years. Then I worked in industries around another 10 to 15 years. Then after I am coming for the teaching. I know how this tool is using from engineering side and customer side and all the sides. So this is you are the one of the best trainer you got in for your training. So let us go for the training.